Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, how have to be? Welcome back dear friends, my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine, spending a good and Hopefully friends you will be fine, spending a good and lavish life. I introduce new and great crochet thinking ideas. So friend, let's come and I introduce new and great crochet thinking ideas. Are very beautiful and unique ideas which I shared with you in this video, and these ideas are completely different to each other. So friends, subscribe. These are very beautiful and unique ideas which I shared with you in this video. Are very beautiful and unique design crochet kettle covers, and that's very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends you really like these ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, hopefully you will enjoy. Kindly friends, subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern and like these ideas which I shared with you in this video. I hope you will begin different type of crochet criteria which I shared with you in this video. Friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personalities which you know. Next time I will meet you with a new and great crochet thinking ideas. To take care dear friend, next time I will meet you. These are very beautiful and polished ideas. And these are very unique and desirable ideas which I shared with you in this video. These are very unique ideas which I shared with you in this video. Crochet kettle covers are very beautiful to each other friends. I hope you will enjoy. You will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. Thank you so much dear friends to like my this video, and then inshallah next time I will meet you with a new and great crochet thinking idea.